Good day, guys. You're welcome to Famsuptasks YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a free legit way to make money online in Nigeria. So, if you're watching this video from another country, I would advise you to check more of our videos, the one that we've released in the past, and stay tuned to the further update that we're going to release in the future. So for today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online in Nigeria. And as you can see right in this video, um, let me say the title of the video or the thumbnail of the video, I attach episode 1, and that implies that I'm going to be releasing more episode of this kind of video in the future. So I'm going to be releasing more ways that you can make money for free online, so you don't have to invest on these ways. So anytime you see this type of video, just know that the way that I'm going to be showing you is free, and you're going to be able to earn cool cash via this method without any form of investment. So all you need for this kind of method to make money online is your smartphone and your internet connection. Once you have that, you're going to be able to print some money for free. You don't have to spend it dime. So but before I proceed with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we drop a new video, you will get notified that we drop a new video. Thank you. Okay, so the site that I'm going to be showing you right in this video is known as Famsuptasks. So let me just visit the platform. I think this is the platform. So now let's say, okay, this is the platform here. So can you see? So that is the platform that I'm going to be showing you right here, famsuptasks.com. So immediately you open your browser, all you have to do is to type the famsuptasks.com on your URL bar and visit the platform. So let's visit the platform. We're waiting for it to load. So this is the platform. You are going to be able to make free money and withdraw directly to your Nigeria bank account from this platform. So this platform is like that of Fire Trend and hawkit, but in this case you don't have to register with any amount. You will be able to register for free and make money for free. There is no registration fee required, there is no activation fee, and nothing. So all you have to do is just to visit the website, as you can see on my screen right here. So you'll be able to create an account, link your social media, perform task, then withdraw your earnings directly to your Nigerian bank account, as you can see on my screen right here. So can you see? So if you want to register, all you have to do is to do what? Click on register now button. So you are going to be provided with this interface. So all you have to do is to input your email address. In my own case, I will input my email address. Okay, so that's my email address. For full name, let's say okay, so password, let me just input a strong password and confirm the password. You will type the password again. So that is the password. Then you're going to click on the registration button. So immediately you click on the registration button, you're going to be taken to your registration page like this. Can you see? So this is your dashboard. So immediately you enter all the required information, you're going to be redirected to this dashboard, and from this dashboard you are going to be able to perform tasks and withdraw your earning. If you want to check the tasks that are available, this is where you can be able to check your task. If you want to withdraw your money, this is where you'll be able to withdraw your money. So first thing to do when you are able to register on this platform and have access to your account is to join their Telegram channel. The reason why you're joining the Telegram channel is to be notified whenever there are tasks available to perform. So when there are new tasks, you will be able to know on that Telegram channel. But if you don't have a Telegram account, all you have to do is to keep checking your account time to time so as to know when new tasks are available. So if you want to complete task, let me show you the task. So the minimum withdrawal on this platform is 500 naira. It was 200 naira before, but as at the moment of recording this video, it has been increased to 500 naira. This implies that as time goes on, the amount might increase to maybe 1000 naira or more in future. But for now, the minimum withdrawal is 500 naira, and these are tasks that you will be able to. Can you see? This is my task page, and as you can see, we have Instagram task, YouTube task, Twitter task, Instagram, and etc. like that. Can you see? We have 4 tasks here plus another 4. That is 8 tasks available, plus another 2, that is 10 tasks available, plus another 1, that is 11 tasks available. So sometimes you might have more tasks available, and sometimes you might have lesser tasks available. So whichever way, you will still be able to make free cash from this platform. All you have to do is to complete each task. So when you get to your account here, can you see this is the full name? This is where you will be able to enter your this account information. Can you see for withdrawal? So you're going to put the name of your account here, your account number here, and you click on save account. Immediately you click on the save account button, then your account will be saved immediately. Whenever you have the minimum withdrawal, all you have to do is to click on the withdraw button and input the amount you want to withdraw, then click on the withdraw button. If you feel like changing your bank information before withdrawal, then you can make use of this button to make whatever changes you intend to make before withdrawing the money. So that is that about that. When we get to task page, can you see this is the task. I just want to show you one of the tasks. When you want to perform task, then you are going to be provided with the required instructions. Can you see? Click on the link below to go to the profile and follow the account to complete this task. This is a follow task. All you have to do is to follow the required account. So immediately you follow the required account, you are going to click on complete task here. Then you will wait for your task to be verified, and you get credited to your Famsuptasks account. And when you have the minimum of 500 naira, you will be able to withdraw the money directly to your Nigeria bank account. Can you see? So assuming I am using my mobile phone right now, that I have my Instagram account, I will be able to click on visit link, and immediately I click on the visit link, I will be redirected to the Instagram, to that particular account that I want to follow. And all I have to do is to click on the follow button, and I will be following that particular user. Can you see? So immediately you complete this task, this is where you will input your social media username. That is your Instagram username. You will drop your Instagram username here, and you click on mark complete. Then you have completed the task. You will close it. You will mark it complete. Assuming I am able to complete the task, I will click on mark complete task, and you will be redirected to the task again. It will reduce. You will be able to click it again till it goes to 0. That's how you will do to every task that are available here. This is to like post on Instagram. This is for comments. This is comments on reels. This is comment on post. This is few stories, and it is like that. Can you see? You can see each labels on the task. So each labels is telling you what you are required to do before you earn the particular amount of money on the task. So that is that about Famsuptasks Up. With this, I think you will be able to register on this platform. You don't need to pay a dime for registration or activation fee, and you will be able to accumulate. If you've registered on hawkit or Fire Trend, you will see that this is exactly how those platforms works. But on those platforms, you will need some amount to register and activate your account. But here it is free, and that is a good opportunity for you to just perform tasks without paying a dime and be able to accumulate some cash and withdraw to your Nigerian bank account. So as I've said, this is just episode 1 of, there are many ways that you can utilize just like this to make money directly to your Nigerian bank account, and I will be revealing more ways in our future videos. So if you are not following us, just follow our you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel here, then turn on the notification bell. Anytime we drop a video, you get notified, then you can click to watch the video. So if you have any question concerning this platform, you can drop your question in the comment section of this video, and I'll be able to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and do have a wonderful day.